Hello and welcome to Synergy Tips brought to you by tice-it. In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to configure email notifications triggered by specific events in your database. We utilize Synergy and RPA to extend our enterprise to our vendors and customers by enabling them to log into our support hub and access data pertinent to their company. This real-time access fosters transparency, enhances communication, and strengthens business relationships. We will explore how to email them their login information to access our environment. Let's take a look. First, we navigate to the RPA setup menu where we can manage and create our email connection. Work with your IT department to determine what settings to use. Make sure to check the Email via Job option. Next, we'll set up an RPA rule to determine the triggers for the event. In this case, a checkbox on the resource card indicates whether credentials should be sent. We'll select the resource as our entity in the rule builder and apply the necessary criteria. Now we have our trigger ready, we can continue with setting up a child rule to define the action that needs to be taken. This time, the rule type is set as Action Create. We'll still associate it with the resource entity and link it to our parent rule to ensure continuity with the same resource record. As our action involves creating, we'll begin mapping what needs to be created. In this instance, an email. When you scroll down, you can complete the mapping and use a combination of static text and variables coming from the resource entity. We want to prevent that this resource will trigger an email notification again, so we will create another child rule where we'll update the resource record to uncheck the checkbox. Now it's time to schedule the rule. Start by creating a batch file and placing it on your server. Ensure the rule name matches the name of your main rule. Then you can set up the Windows Task Scheduler to execute this batch file automatically. When the Windows Task Scheduler executes the batch file, the email will be sent and the flag will be removed from the resource card. That's how you complete the setup of an email notification. I hope you found this tip helpful. With over 60 years of combined experience in improving business operations, we are happy to be your trusted exact software service provider. Do you want to learn more? Reach out at tice-it.com. That's tice-it.com